Okay, welcome back to my third video. In this video, I'll be covering how you can make your own kick and ban command. So let's get started with that. First, we need to make two new files inside the commands folder. So click on that and make a new file. Call that ban.js and one more called kick.js. Inside here, we're just gonna take the module export thing from the say command, copy that and go into here, paste that and there. Then we can make that ban, and this is going to be bans a user. Then we can just copy this and go over to the kick command and paste that, replace this with kick and this with kicks. Now we're gonna start on the kick command first. So go into there, and first we need to define which user we want to kick. So we're gonna be mentioning a user, so exclamation mark kick and then space, and then we mention which user we want to kick. So that's pretty simple. You just make a constant, call that kick user, and that's gonna be equal to message.mentions, there you go, dot users, and then dot first, that's also a function. Then go underneath here, and now we're gonna make if the user that sends the kick command doesn't have the permission kick members, they can't use the command. So if message.member.has permission, and then that's gonna be kick underscore members. We're gonna open that up. Wait. Oh, I see something I need to do like that. No, wait, that. There you go. And we're gonna open that up. And now we're gonna make an embed that's gonna be sent back. We haven't done embeds yet, but you know, you gotta learn. So how we start the embed is we make a let variable. So that's basically the same as var, but just a safer way. So let, and then embed is equal to new discord.message embed. There you go. And then we can go one line down and dot set description. So this basically sets the description for the embed. So sorry, but oh, I can't type today. Sorry, but you don't have the correct permission to use this command. There you go. And then we can go one line down and dot set timestamp. That's gonna set the timestamp so we can see when the command was executed. And then we can also set color, for example, and for this we need to get a hex code. So you go into your search engine and search up color picker. This should take you to like this, and here you can just, for example, choose a color. I'm going to be choosing a darker red, as this is basically, you can't use this, and then I just link that with the color red. So you copy the hex code, and I go over here and paste that in there. We can end that off. We can also put a set title. So for example, this could be, let's say, let's make it that, and then we can do this, and we can make it message dot author dot username. That's correct, yeah. Yes. That's basically it for an embed, and we need to send the embed. So to do that, we just return message dot channel dot send, and then not a string but the embed. There you go. And then we can go outside of this, and now we can make a if kick user. So in here we do like this and open that up. Then we can make a var, so variable, and then member is equal to message dot guild. Guild is just basically another word for server. And then we do member, yes, and then kick user there. And now we can go 2 lines down, and if member, we do like this, and kick, no wait, no, member dot kick, that's the function to kick the user. Now you can, for example, put in a reason that's gonna show up in Discord. So let's say the reason is you have been bad. There you go. And then we can dot then make 2 brackets and then a arrow function, so there and there, and then a embed, so let embed is equal to new discord dot message embed. And then we go 1 line down, and now we can start fill out a bunch more info. So for example, the title can be you kicked a user. Then we can go 1 line down and set the description. So set description, and this can be, for example, we make it that, and oh wait, no, that, and you kicked and then we can make a fancy thing, so do that, and then we can do kick user dot id, and then we can make like this and like that and that. This is basically gonna mention the user in the embed, so it looks better. And then we can also get a check mark here. So by doing that, we just go into Discord, we go into emojis, find the white check mark, put in there, and put a backslash in front of it, do like that, and that, and we go into our code and put that. And now we can put in, for example, we can put an add field. So for example, the moderator is gonna be the not member, but message dot author dot username. We can also, for example, put in ID here too, and this is gonna be a bit more confusing, so we're not gonna do that. Let me think how we would do that. Yeah, I'm not even sure how we would do that. Dot set timestamp, put in a little timestamp there, and then we can put in a, for example, a footer, so made by suffix. This can be your name, doesn't have to be made by suffix. And then dot set color, I'm gonna be putting in a green color in there. So go back to your Google and find the color you want. I'm gonna be choosing a green color. So go back into your code and paste that. And for what I'm sure, we're basically done with the kick command. So go into your index, and if command is equal to kick, we can open that up, take this from above, and we can put in kick there. If you haven't watched the yesterday's video, we made a advanced command handler so you can make separate files. So if you haven't made that yet, I suggest you do that, because without that you can't really make this. Now we're going to be starting on the ban command. So go into the ban.js file, and we need to open this up, and then we can start with some fancy code. So first we need to mention, or like specify which user we want to ban. So that's the same as the kick command, just const ban user is equal to, and then message dot mentions dot users dot first. That's the function, so do that, and that's it. Then we can make sure they have the correct permissions. So if message dot member dot has permissions, or permission, and then do that and ban underscore members. So that's it. Then we open this up, and we can just go into the kick command and just take this from there and paste that in there. Yeah, that's it. And now we can go underneath here, and if ban user, open that up, and var member is equal to message dot guild dot member, and then there, and ban user. That's it. And if the member, no, not message, but member is true, we can open that up and do a member dot ban, then do this and this, open that up, and then the reason, here you put the reason for the ban. So for example, you have been bad. Then we can go down there and dot then like that and that, then an arrow function, and open that up. Then let embed is equal to, we can just take the kick user, or the kick command, copy this, go into ban and do that, and replace kick user with where is it, ban user. Then we can replace this with ban the user, replace this with expand, take it to a lowercase. I see we need to take away that. I accidentally put that in there. I need to format the document. Then we can, let me just look if I'm missing something. No, and then we can not member but message channel send and then embed. That's basically it for the ban command too. Let me just look over the kick command. Let me see if we're missing anything. No, looks great. Ban command also looks great. Let me format the document there. And then we can go into index, just basically copy this, and we can replace this with not uppercase, but there you go. And then we can replace this with ban. Make sure it's banned there and kick there. Okay, let's test this out. So run start debugging node.js. I need to look at the debug console. The body's online. Okay, I'm first gonna be checking out the permissions. So I'm on my alt account right now. If I do, for example, ban suffix test. Okay, what's wrong here? Oh, I see. We need to go into the ban command. I typed first wrong. It's first. There you go. Save, run, start debugging node.js. Now we can see if it works. So ban. Sorry, but you don't have the correct permissions to use this command. It's red, says my name and the timestamp. Then we can test the same thing. So if I do the kick command, I don't want to kick myself, but we want to kick that. There you go. And I can now test the kick command and ban command if I have the correct permission. So kick, there you see I got kicked. I wonder why we didn't get a confirm message. Why is that? Oh, we didn't send the embed. So send embed, save, relaunch, and then if I go over on my alt account, I join again. If we now try to kick my alt account, so kick test, I got kicked over here and the confirm message. Now let's test the ban command. So ban suffix test. You banned suffix test, moderator my name, and if we see invalid invite, the user is banned. So it worked. If I now try to, where is it, service settings, bans, and revoke the ban, if I now do that, I should be able to join. Voila, it works. We got no errors, everything is nice, and how it is, we can put that there if we want to. Yeah, that's it. So next video, I don't really know what I'm gonna do. Probably a welcome function. So if a player joins or user joins, we can welcome them automatically. And I also want to do a mod mail system for you guys that are in my Discord. I have a mod mail system where if someone DMs my bot, it gets sent to a channel in my server, and I can, through that channel, reply to them through the bot. So that's also something I want to do in the tutorial, but that's pretty advanced, so we're not going to do that straight away. So yeah, we'll find out what we're going to do in the next episode, and I see you then.